The 2025 Lincoln Aviator is receiving an exciting update, maintaining its close connection to the Ford Explorer but adding distinctive luxury touches that set it apart. Both models share the same foundation, engine, interior design, and tech features, but the Aviator boasts extra luxury elements. The exterior update includes a larger grille, unique headlights, and vertical vents at the corners, giving it a more refined look compared to the Explorer. Inside, the Aviator features larger digital screens for the driver and front passenger, with a 13.2-inch center screen and a 12.4-inch dashboard display. The interior design remains mostly unchanged but offers new color schemes like light space gray, harvest bronze, and hot chocolate. The Aviator excels in technology, introducing the Lincoln Digital Experience, integrating Google and Amazon capabilities directly into the car's system. This enables the use of apps like Spotify, Google Maps, YouTube, and a web browser, with voice commands handled by Google Assistant or Alexa. Blue Cruise, Lincoln's hands-free driving technology, and Lincoln Copilot 360 are standard features, providing advanced driver assistance functions. Lincoln offers various appearance packages, wheel options, and a unique Lincoln Black Label invitation theme, enhancing the Aviator's exclusivity. The emphasis on technology aims to create a digital sanctuary on the road for a luxurious and peaceful experience. The 2025 Aviator, set to hit the market later this year as a premium option, starts at $58,495 for the entry-level Aviator Premier, a significant increase from the previous year. The mid-level Reserve is priced at $67,495, and the top-tier Black Label costs $86,995, potentially reaching close to $100,000 with additional options and destination charges.